Alrighty, here we go. Jumping Square. He's gonna bust a couple personals of Showcase Hockey. Let me get this here. Alright, Showcase Hockey. Yeah, I mean, he literally, and what's even funnier, he answered his phone while he was in front of my window. He answered his phone, for sure. We'll do one box at a time, that way we can see what packs are from what. Oh, dude, Chris, I can't believe it. Unreal. All right, here we go. Henrik Zetterberg to $2.99. Skybox Premium out of your first pack. Oh, here's a hit, not a fatty. I thought sometimes the hits look like patches, but not. What is it going to be? RJ Umberger to 36 Red Glow jersey. Numbered to only 36. Lots of short print stuff in this, Mike. Umberger. Oh, here's a nice one. This is going to be a Star Ruby. Claude Giroux, number 2450. Skybox Premium Star Ruby. Sick card. Man, those things are nice looking. Oh, you got a case hit. You got one. This is good. Well, you got two hits in this one. Boho. You got a Bo Horvat Leaf Metal. And nice hot gloves. These are sweet looking. Pekka Rinne. Hot gloves. Case hit. Next, Joe Sakic, Flair Showcase. Yep, I'm a huge fan of those. Anthony Duclair, Metal Universe. Vladimir Tarasenko to $2.99. Nice. Here's a fatty. Who's it going to be? Oh, sick patch. So $3.75. Rookie patch auto 3-color. Darnell Nurse. 3-color. Lots of breaks. Aaron Ekblad, Metal Universe. Stuff's beauty, man. Braden Holtby, Flair Showcase. So you have a jersey and then your patch auto. Here's another one, another fatty. It's going to be on this one. Ooh, another good patch. Damon Severson rookie patch autograph. Another 3-color. $3.75. So 2 patch autos and the case hit, plus a Star Ruby. Matt Molson, Flair Showcase. Solid box all the way around. Pavel Datsyuk, Metal Universe. Ryan Getzlaff for the Ducks. And last pack of box 1 is a Sam Reinhart to $2.99. Skybox Premium. Okay, box 1. Box 2. Let's go, let's do a PMG in this one. How about it? Ooh. Oh, you got a 1-of-1. Dude, 1-of-1 masterpiece coming up. Oh, snap. Some of this stuff goes nuts, man, I'm telling you. If it's a rookie, you could be in business. You could be in business if it's a rook. Not a rook, but it's still beautiful. Matt Molson, the only 1-of-1 masterpiece. Matt Molson, 1/1 masterpiece. That's insane. So it says literally the only 1/1 masterpiece and the only 1/1 masterpiece. Beautiful. Dang, man. Crushing it. Yori Laterra for the Blues, Metal Universe. That's a rookie. Curtis Lazard at $2.99. Skybox Premium, Hot Prospects. And Sven Andrighetto, Metal Universe. Here's an auto. Josh Joris to 149 for the Flames. Hot Prospects autograph. Josh Joris. Henrik Sedin to 299 for the Canucks. Here's a fatty. Nice, 3-color again. Derek Polio for the Penguins. Hot Prospects rookie patch autograph. Rob Blake showcase for the Kings. Here's a nice blue ice of Derek Stepan, numbered 7/99. Blue ice of Derek Stepan. Danny Heatley. That's all it was. Flair Showcase. Still got it. Oh, here it is. As I said it. Still got a hit to go, and here we go. 2-color patch, number 375, Mirko Mueller. Mirko Mueller, 2-color Hot Prospects patch autograph. We have 8 left, Vikings fan, on the spot draft. Alex Pietrangelo. It's actually a miscut on that one, I think. Yep. It's actually mistrimmed. You've got the entire edge of another card here. You can see it really easily on the back, see? Pietrangelo. Bobby Hull. Metal Universe. Evgeny Kuznetsov, Metal Universe. And the grand finale pack. I was calling for a PMG and you hit a 1/1. Our first duel, Tyler Grailvac and Tyler Gaudette. Hot Prospects duos to $2.99. So jumping, there you have it, man.